Hey everybody, welcome back to another Vlog Friday.
Yes, today it is. And what are you using today?
We're using the GoPro MISSION 1 Pro.
That's right, we're testing it out. I know it's been out for a while, but we just thought we'd test this one out. Let's see how the focus is. Normally we carry the DJI here. See how small? That's the one we used up in Mammoth and Modi, everywhere, because it's so small. And let's see. And the other thing is no mics. So hopefully the voice and everything captures just as good as the DJI, because sometimes we don't use a mic as well. So I just kind of want to show you guys here. And I'll put it in my pocket just like that. And then I'll do a little recording of this one too. That's why we're gonna add out some videos so you guys can
record it. Okay.
Yeah. And the other thing too, we
got this 3D printed.
Yeah, we 3D printed this. Unfortunately, I can't go up close because you guys know that the GoPro is terrible in up close shots. Maybe it focuses up here, so that's why we 3D printed this, because we're gonna use this to be able to put this right here on the front of it. Let's see, I'll put it right here, so just slide it in so you guys can see that there. And then we'll be able to put in the macro lens and the ND filter, so when we're doing this close-up shots it'll be in focus. And this way it's easy for us. We can just pull it out or unscrew the ND filter, or sorry, the macro, and then just leave the ND filter, and then we can just continue go focusing like, you know, just like a regular action camera and a vacation camera.
And the good thing about the 3D print on the GoPro MISSION 1 Pro is that if you break it like on accident, you can just 3D print a new one.
Hey, that's right. That's right. Good job. I didn't think about that either. That's right. We can just 3D print another, or if we lose it, we can just 3D print another one. Probably would cost us probably like 40 cents to print this one out.
Yeah,
roughly, maybe.
But now that we have the model, we can just reprint it.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. It probably only costs us like 40 cents because, you know, it doesn't use too much filament, you know. Yeah. So we can.
But since we have a lot of filament, it won't take that much money from us.
Yeah, and the other nice thing about it, we can do different colors.
Yeah.
So if we wanted to do, like, let's say you had one for
blue filament.
Yeah, and you wanted to use the blue one for the, you know, let's say macro mode 2 times or the 4 times, and you can do them in colors. That way, like you
golden
know
color, or like
which one you're picking up.
Like a custom color or something.
Yeah.
Like whatever color you want, it just has to be filament.
That's right. Yeah. Unfortunately, today it's another hot day, another scorcher, and
another oven day.
Yeah, another oven day. That's a good way to put it. We can probably fry eggs on the floor there. It's so hot.
It wouldn't be good.
I don't know if you can see the fumes coming off the ground here, but we'll put it down so you can see. And then we'll see here fumes coming out of his scooter there. And unfortunately, I'm a little under the weather today.
Yeah.
So I'm not running today. No. Hopefully it's just a little quick thing. Go away. What do you think?
Also, wish him a happy birthday because it's his birthday as well.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. No worries,
happy
everybody. Thank you. What a way to start your birthday, huh?
Huh?
What a way to start your birthday.
Yeah.
And then also wanted to show you guys, we did pick up the cage. You guys can see here. So we can actually put this cage on the GoPro if you wanted to. See, you can see I can then snap it, and then, oops, almost dropped it.
Break it?
No, I almost dropped it.
That one 3D printed too, or is it just the regular?
Actually, you can probably 3D print one.
Probably.
And there you go. Check it out.
You would just have to 3D print the case in pieces.
Yeah,
and it'd be like a Lego set.
Yeah.
You have to build it.
You still have access to the bottom, you see down here. So that's pretty cool and everything. So this is if you guys want to make it more of a kind of like more grippy as well. What do you think? Do you like the grip on it? What do you think? You like the cage?
Yeah, it looks nice.
It looks nice, huh?
It looks like you caged a monster inside of it.
Yeah.
Get it?
Monster cage. Yeah. And then we also have picked up this right here. Well, not picked up, but it also comes with the side here and here, so you can just put it here, snap it in place. Let me make sure this is unlocked here. And then we'll push it down, lock it in place, and then check it out, guys. Look, it's like a little Camera's pretty nice. It's easy to hold this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a lot easier. And it also has the top that you can put up there, which you will slide, which is this. And then you can just slide that up here in the top on the cold shoe mount. You can see that up here. And I can just slide it in here. And I can pause and record and things like that from it. And I can actually hold it like that because I actually can't hold it the other way. What do you think?
I think it looks nice.
Looks nice?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. And then you can just, I guess if you hold it this, I guess I can hold it like this if I'm walking with my left hand. You guys can see that, right?
Huh?
If I hold it with my left hand, I can hold this like this much better than probably holding it like this.
Yeah, because it has a better grip.
Yeah, it has a better grip.
It's like a controller with a better grip.
Yeah. And then this is to take pictures, or I can do it just like to stop the video.
It has like everything on
Yeah.
this.
You can see like it's recording there. Hopefully you guys can see that there.
And let's pretend like we're ending a video.
Yeah.
See ya. You don't have to
Please.
do this, and you can
Yeah.
just do this.
So pretty nice. You guys can see that there. So yeah. So don't forget to
Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time we upload a new video.
yes.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.